Woke up in a room that's not my own. A shattered mirror where the truth was shown. Dust on the floor, whispers of what I've known. But the light keeps flickering, and my heart keeps bickering. Why am I still lingering?